Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. Hope you are all well. Remember, there is a giveaway on my channel, don't miss it. Today, we are not just talking about a collection, but a tribute to speed, design, and craftsmanship. We are diving into the 2024 Hot Wheels collection featuring a die-cast model that pays homage to the legendary Honda CB750 motorcycle. This isn't just a bike, it's a symbol of power, innovation, and the spirit of racing. The Honda CB750, with its unique four-cylinder engine, rode its way into the motorbike world from 1969 to 2003, leaving an indelible mark on the history of speed. Hot Wheel model hailing from the Rod Squad series and designed by the talented Fraser Campbell, which is a miniature masterpiece. It's the 49th model out of total of 250, sporting a white and gold stripes on the sides, the iconic Honda badge. This model is more than just a replica. It's a celebration of CB750 tuned engine, performance exhaust, cafe racer handlebars, and the new MagCast style rims. Despite its small size, it packs a punch just like an original CB750. And the best part, it comes with the stand. Let's talk about the history of CB750. It's a racing sport bike, a machine built for speed and agility. With a powerful 68 horsepower and maximum speed of 125 miles per hour, the CB750 is still a favorite choice for cafe racer builds today. As we have reached the end of the video, I would love to share my thoughts on the Hot Wheel Honda CB750 Cafe Racer. The design and the appearance of this miniature motorbike are truly captivating. It feels like I'm holding a scaled down version of classic Honda CB750 Cafe Racer. The attention to the detail, from the tuned carb motor to the cafe racer handlebars and MagCast style rim, is commendable. Overall, it's a fantastic addition to the Hot Wheel collection. For more exciting stories, history, and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.